I'm here with my Dash Mini Griddle, and I am going to be cooking some frozen mussels. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. Lately I've been buying bags of frozen seafood, keeping them in my freezer, and then just defrosting them or cooking them as needed. It's been super convenient. So right now I am going to be cooking some of these mussels. They're frozen and supposedly they're pre-cooked, and I've had a few of them already. They're really good, so I thought I would see how they do in a Dash Mini Griddle. I've been steaming them and they've been coming out really good. I've also been using my Hot Logic. They've been coming out really good. So let's see how they do with a Dash Mini Griddle. My Mini Griddle's plugged in. The blue light is on. As soon as the blue light goes off, we're ready to cook, and then I'll put the mussels in the Mini Griddle. There we go. So let's open it up. Let's put our mussels on. Some of these are closed, some are open. This one's open. Some of them are slightly open. So let's shut this and let's come back in about 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes now. Let's open this and let's see what's going on here. So all of the mussels have opened more than they were open before. They're really hot. The ice that was in or on the mussels has all melted. There's quite a bit of water on the bottom, which is actually helping them steam. I'm gonna let them cook for another minute, and then they should be done. I just unplugged the griddle. Let's open this up. They're looking good. I'm being super careful. I don't want to burn myself. Everything is steaming hot. These mussels were pre-cooked, but I would think raw mussels would work just as well. It looks really good. Let's taste it. Very nicely cooked. In the past, I used to love going to French restaurants, and I would always get mussels mouliniere. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it was like mussels with butter and garlic. I think there was parsley. It was so good. Right now I'm just making these really plain to show you what you can do with a Dash Mini Griddle. This is how easy it is to cook mussels in a Dash Mini Griddle. I hope this video is helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.